Welcome the student, class 3rd, subject science. Second lesson, matter and its properties. We have to see what is the matter and what are the properties of matter in this lesson. Door, many things are around us. Water, gas balloon. So ये things किससे बने हैं? ये everything is made up with the matter. So what is the meaning of matter? See, here is the definition of the matter. Any substance that has weight and occupies the space is called matter. Any substance that has weight and occupies the space, that is called as matter. For example, I am showing you here, it is the duster. Duster is a matter because it having the some weight. If you will keep in the weighing on the weighing box, that time you will get the weight of this. Means it having the weight and it has occupies the space. इसको एक प्रॉपर जगह लगी है, तो इसको जगह भी लगती है, इसको वेट भी है. इसका मतलब ये क्या है? मैटर है. ह्यूमन बॉडी, इट इज द मैटर. This blackboard, it is the matter because it having the specific weight and it occupies the space. It is called as matter. Now we have to see about the matter state. Yes, this matter is found in the three states. Which are those states? We have to see here right now. See here. States of matter. Matter can find in these three states: solid, liquid, and gases. They are differ from each other by some properties. Here we have to learn the properties of these three states of matter. Let's see the properties of solid. Now here we have to learn the properties of solid. By that we can understand, yes, it is the solid. See, first property, that is they have fixed shape and size. They have fixed shape and size. And second property, that is they cannot flow. They cannot flow. बहता नहीं है. Examples are table, chair, pen, book, etc. See, duster, it is a solid form because it having the proper shape, proper size. ये proper size में है, proper shape में है, मतलब इसका जो size and shape है ये fixed है. हमें पता है ये हमने ऐसे नीचे डाला तो ये बहेगा नहीं, वो ऐसे ही shape में रहेगा, वो बहता नहीं है. Okay, next thing, if I'll show you this one, this is the mobile cover. This is once again the example of solid. So it is again not, it is having the fixed shape and size. It cannot be flow. It cannot be flow. That's why it is a solid. Next thing I will show you here is the cup. Cup is also having the proper shape and size. Okay, proper shape and size. It cannot be flow. Next. That is, here is the book. Book also having the shape, fixed shape. It having the fixed, that is square shape, and it having the proper size also. It having the proper size. Proper means fixed size. It cannot be flow. That's why it is a solid. Okay, in this way you can identify solid things by the properties. Here, next thing that I want to tell you, molecules are tightly packed. See, our body, we have seen our body is made up with these small particles. That small unit of our body is called as cells. Okay, in this way, if any matter is properly fixed, or any matter having the small structure, small particles, that are called as molecules. That molecules are tightly packed in the solids. ये बहुत tightly packed होते हैं, लूज नहीं है. ये जो बना है कप, इसके अंदर tightly packed molecules है. लूज होता तो वो ऐसे किधर भी जाता, मतलब ये टाइट उसे शेप नहीं मिलता। शेप एंड साइज के लिए मॉलिक्यूल्स कैसे होने चाहिए? टाइटली पैक्ड, टाइटली पैक्ड, विच इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन द सॉलिड. So these are the properties of the solid. I hope you have understood. We will see the next properties of the liquid. Here liquids properties we have to see. Which are the properties of liquid? See this student. First of all, we will see first, that is that they do not have the fixed shape. They do not have the fixed shape like a solids, and they can flow easily. So here are the examples: milk, water, petrol, shampoo, then blood, curry, etc. These are the examples. See student, it does not have the proper shape. I'll show you. Here I am having the water. See, it is the water. If I will pour it on the floor, it can be flow. See, if I put this water into this bottle, what will happen? When that water is in the glass, that time it having the shape of glass. Now it is in the bottle, that when it takes the shape of the bottle. If I pour it in this cup, then it gave the shape of this cup. It gave the shape of this cup. So in this way, student, liquids, if we pour in the container, then that container shape taken by that liquid. What is the arrangement of the molecule in the liquid? In the liquid, molecules are loosely packed. It is not that tightly packed. If it is tightly packed, then it will become a solid. But here in the solid, it is the loosely packed. That's why it does not have its fixed shape. It can take the shape of that container. Even it can flow very easily. So this is all about the liquid. With the help of this property, you can identify the liquid. Now we will see the properties of the gas. Now we have to see the properties of the gas. Gases are available around us. See students, around us there is air. We say that air is here. When we switch on the fan, that time we feel the air. When we go outside, we can see the leaves of the plants. It's getting moving that leaves and leaves of the plants. By that we can say yes, air is around us. Air is the mixture of gases. Air is the mixture of gases. In that oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, like the gases are present. We are inhaling the oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide. As humans and animals, they are inhaling the oxygen and release out the carbon dioxide. And in the plant, what happening? Plants taking the carbon dioxide which is present in the air and release out the oxygen. Why they are taking the carbon dioxide? To prepare their own food. For the preparing the food, they need the carbon dioxide and they are taking from the air. Okay. Now see student, gases are like a liquids only. But we cannot see most of the gases by the eyes. हम लोग gases देख नहीं सकते हैं, लेकिन see gases having the weight and it occupies space. How we can say, if I am having this balloon. It is the empty balloon. If I keep here on this, then there should be no change in the weight. If I taking the other balloon which having the air, I have taken this balloon. Check it. If I keep it, then there is a little bit change in the weight. It proves that here एयर ऑक्युपाइज द स्पेस मीन्स ये शेप उसको मिला, बलून के अंदर गया तो इसे इसका शेप मिला. Yes, means this gas is went into the inside the balloon and it gets the balloon shape and it has a weight that also proved. I will show you another example, that is here I am having a football, see, which is having the, see, it is the weight of this balloon. Okay, air, some air यहाँ से निकाली गई है, तो this is the weight of this balloon, that is 250. And next, so balloon is not, it is a football and I am having this football with a proper air. See this weight, it is the weight that is 350. Okay, so in this way we can say air gases occupy the space and gases can flow, they do not fixed shape. उनको फिक्स शेप एंड साइज नहीं है, जिसके अंदर जाएंगे वो पूरी जगह ऑक्यूपाई करके लेती है. एंड इट्स मॉलिक्यूल्स आर वेरी लूजली पैक्ड. इट इज नॉट अ टाइटली पैक्ड, इट इज वेरी लूजली पैक्ड. Examples are oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen, etc. Many examples are there of the gases. We can take the example of the gas balloon also. That is, gas balloon is the example of the gases. So these are the properties of solid, liquid and gases. I hope you have understood these all points. Now we will turn towards the difference between solid, gases and liquid, or a comparison between solid, liquid and gases. Now here we have to see the comparison between solids, liquids and gases. See students, solids have definite shape. We have seen solids have definite shape. Liquids do not have definite shape and take the shapes of the container, that we have seen the example. Next, gases also do not have a definite shape. Gases also do not have the definite shape. Now next, they do not flow. They can flow, liquid can flow, gases also can flow. This is the comparison between solids, liquids and gases. I hope you understood these all the things. Now we have to learn the properties of matters. Properties of matter. Let's see the properties of matter. We have seen the states of matter. There are the 3 states of matter: liquid, solid and gases. Now we have to see the properties of matter. First property, that is matter occupies the space. See student, all states of matter, that is solids, liquids and gases, occupy the space. For example, solids like chairs, tables and benches occupy space in your classroom. Let's see your classroom. You will see that it is your classroom. Benches occupies the space that you can see easily. Second thing, that is your books, bags, pencil boxes, etc. also occupy the space. See your book, it needs the space. Your bag, it needs the space. Your pencil, it needs the space. That means they are also occupying the space. All the solids occupy the space that we have seen in the properties of the solid. Second, that is liquids are like water, milk and oil fill the empty container that we have seen. That is, if I am having a glass, then I am having the water. If I pour this water into the glass, then what is happening? Liquid takes the shape of container. It fills the container. Even pour in the cup, then it can take the space inside the cup. Okay, in this way we can say liquids are like water, milk and oil fills the empty container, means it occupies the space of container. Gases also occupy this space. We have seen the example, that is, if we take the empty balloon, see the student, I am having the empty balloon. If we fill it with the air, then air takes the space inside the balloon. So this balloon becomes the like this, means become a big. Means gases are also occupy the space. When you blow the air in the balloon, air fills up space and inside it and it becomes the big. So by that we can say yes, all the solids, liquids and gases occupy the space. Okay, next we have to see that. Okay student, we are going to see the activity right now. It needs the empty glass and the water in a pot, or you can take the water in a bucket. I have taken in the pot. Let's see the activity. See the student, I have taken here one pot filled with the water, and here see glass we have to put inside it. Then you have to observe, see air bubbles are there, that means empty glass having the air. Okay, gas has occupied the space. Very good. Okay, by this activity what you have observed student, that is empty glass we have taken and inverted, we are trying to insert into the pot. That time we have observed there are the air bubbles, means empty glass, means water enters into the empty glass and there is a air which has occupies the space inside the glass, that comes out in the form of air bubbles. That means it proves that gas also occupies the space. Now we will see the next property of the matter. See the student, here is the next property of the matter. Matter has the weight. See, matter has the weight. Solid, liquid and the gases all as having the weight. See, if we'll take the empty glass and then after that in one glass we can pour the milk or water, then we will observe that empty glass is the light than the milk and water glass. Means it is heavier and it is the light one. In this way we can observe that means water and means milk, water means it is the liquid. Liquid has a weight. Solid also has a weight. We can see anything you can take on the weighing balance and you can check it has having the weight. We will see here duster. I will keep the duster on the weighing balance. It shows you the weight. Yes, it is having the weight. You can see this. Okay, means solid also having the weight, liquid also having the weight. Now we will see the deflated football. If I take here, there is an activity you are having and showing here. We will take the deflated football here. Check it. It is having the weight 250. We will keep the inflated football here. Then it is having the some weight, that is the 400 something is there. Means it having the weight. It is proved by this activity. Means students, matter also having occupies the space and it having the weight, that we have seen by the activities. Okay, in the next video we will see that the melting, evaporation, condensation process with the help of activities, and also water cycle in the next video. Bye bye students.